Look, my friend sent me a Silverado seat cover for 03 to 06. Let's take it apart and have a look at the original appearance of the seat cover. My friend wants to replace the cloth seat cover with a black leather one. Leave it to our production department. Let's take the seat covers apart first. Every step in removing the fabric seat cover must be done very carefully. This seat cover has a lot of splicing, so it takes a bit more time to remove. Can you tell? Our workers are dismantling very carefully. Make careful marks. Mark the removed seat cover cutting pieces on the sample leather material. Before making seat covers for customers, we always make a set of samples first. Cut out the sample pieces according to the marks. The cut sample pieces are placed on the sweeping machine. The machine will cut out the leather pieces based on the scanned template. The cut leather sheets are handed over to our sewing department. Sew all the pieces together. The exact same card strip as the original vehicle. We use double stitching for sewing, which is both beautiful and more durable. Sew on the snap fasteners to fix it. The seat covers are ready. Let's take a look at the comparison effect. Leather seat covers look more upscale. I'll pack it up and send it to my friend, hoping they'll be satisfied. Do you want to replace the fabric seat cover with a leather one? Or replace the leather seat cover with a fabric one? Tell me the year and model.